Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have another Temu haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and check out what's in this package of goodies. Okay, I have some rhinestone beads. And these are Christmas colors. Oh, these are actually real nice. Look at that. They got a little shine. So this does come in red, white, and green. How gorgeous are those? Let me see. I don't know if they fit on a beatable pen. But let me go ahead and take one out. Yeah, they do. So this is 2 mm, so that means it will fit a beatable pen. So I got those. I do have a paper pad, so let's go look at this one. So far I've been impressed with all the Temu paper pads. So let's see what this one has. This one has a little lights. So this must be like a blue, blue and red. You got some polka dots, and this is like a glossy paper, so it's real nice. Yeah, red and cream polka dots. Oh, look at that. You got some Christmas trees. And then the same Christmas trees on blue. Love, love, love. Oh, wow, I love this one. You got the gift, the Christmas, the presents, and the candy cane. You have the zigzags. Love those. And you have this background. Don't know what you call this, but I like that one. Oh, you got the snowman. The cutie patooties in blue. And then you got the same background but in blue. Love, love, love. Oh, I like this. Some more presents, and then you do have some stripes. I'm a sucker for stripes, so I do love my stripes. Okay, this is please join us for a Christmas cookie exchange party. So there's an invitation. I got this so I could put into like like Christmas journals and stuff like that. And it is on cardboard. And look at the back, it's also striped. So I love that. Oh snap, please join us for a Christmas cookie exchange. So that actually be real nice. I'm going to use this for crafting, but this is a real nice invitation, party invitation. Now the other thing I have here is this Christmas tree die set. And it does have, yes, Merry Christmas. So it says Merry Christmas there. And you do have 3 sizes of Christmas trees, a layering piece, and little stuff to add on there. So I got that. And I will be cutting, I'm starting to cut the dies out to make videos for. So that, keep an eye on that. So I'll test these too. And I'll rate it to see if it's worth to buy. Okay, I also hauled these napkins. I saw these and I was like, OMG, I need these. I really don't, but I like them. Look at that. Look at how cute those are. Ballerina. And these are napkins. I put 2. Look at that. They do open this way. So how cool is that? You do get 4 as you unwrap it. Well, how cute is that? So I saw these. I had to grab these. So I got some of those. Those are really cute. Oh wow, this is actually a pretty big die. This is actually really big. I didn't know it was that big. Let me find the biggest point. Yeah, it's almost 7. It's almost 7 inches by, I want to say 4 and right, almost 4 1/4. Let me get it by the bigger point. Actually, no, it's by 5. Yeah. So that is actually pretty awesome. And what it is a border with like Christmas lights, and you do have Christmas lights there. So it says Be Merry. That's actually pretty awesome. This is a nice die. So I have that one. I have another die set here, and this is a bell, and it does have some pine leaves and some holly, and you do have the little berries, and it does come with a bow. So I got this one. This one did show like almost like a shaker card. So I got that. I also have this Christmas lights. Oh, this is pretty cute. That's actually pretty good size too. The Christmas light. See, it's 4 1/2 by 2 3/4. So that's actually a pretty good size. So this one you do got the main piece. Oh yeah, you got the outer piece too. Real nice. I like this. This way is a stitching one. So I got that. I thought that would be fun to play with. And then the next thing I have is some words. Now these ones, I'm not even going to try to attempt. But these are some, I believe these were Christmas words. Yes, I got those. And then I also hauled these pendants, or these charms. When I saw these, I thought these were gorgeous. Look at this. And they are in gold. But look at that. So you have it in blue, white, black, and purple, and pink. How darn cute are those? Those are real pretty. So these will go nice with the Victorian or even a shabby chic. So got those. Love these. Okay, I also ordered a wax stamp. Look at that. It was a melting snowman. How cool is this? I'll put a picture so you can see in the video. I actually did see this on my feed, but I saw this on another video, and when I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, let me put it in my cart. So I got that one. I thought he was so cute. Now I got this little mechanism here is used for clay cutters. So what it is you'll put your clay on your table, and the thickness of this one is 4 mm, so your clay will be even to that. Okay, so I found this. They had different sizes. They have a 1, I believe they have 1, 2, 4, and 6. But I wanted to try this one out, so I got that one. That's so I don't have to buy that that is almost like a pasta reel type of thing. So I went ahead and get this instead. Okay, and then I hauled another die, and actually this is actually pretty good size. Yeah, and this is Holly Jolly Christmas. The only downside is I know I'm going to have to piece everything together, but I'm not mad at it. So I got that one. I found this cute ribbon, and when I saw it, it had like princess vibes. But look at that. Look how pretty it is. It almost got like a halo, iridescent shine to it. I don't know if it's doing any justice, but look at that. I got that one, and this does not have a wire. So I did get it in pink. And I also got it in blue. And they had, the shop had multiple colors, so I'm going to get the other colors. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So I got that one also. Okay, I have an acrylic here. Let's see which one I ordered. Oh, this one is a rebuy. And this one is the Christmas Story lamp. Look at that. So I love it. I love the lamp in the Christmas Story. I don't like that the mom broke it. So I was like, oh. But yeah, got the leg. They get 10 of those. Also had another die, which is ho ho ho. And this one just has little characters in it. Let's look at this one. Yeah. So it does have like a little shadow piece and then the main piece. I gotta test this one out because I want to see how they cut out. So I got that one. And then another die that I got was this one here. And this one's basically Holly Jolly. And it does have an outer piece also. And you could tell the words does cut individually. So that's another tester. But yeah, do love it. And then the best one here. Now this one, I did have it already in my order coming. And then I noticed it's a deal. She had ordered it also. And when I saw it, I was like, yes, good thing I ordered it. But look at these Christmas storybooks. Look at that. How cute are those? And that's a charm. This was on brown. So I got 2 of those. And then I do have it in the red. These are adorable. Look at that. I got those. And then I do have it in green. And it's good quality. Look at how thick it is. Look at that. Ooh. Cute, cute, cute. I love it. And then it also comes in cream and like a lighter brown. Love, love, love. So yeah, I love everything in this little haul. I still got a few more coming of Christmas. Then I'm going to start going into some other holidays. But yeah, actually, even when Christmas is over, I like to go ahead and get clearance items because they are having clearance on Christmas stuff now. So I'll still have stuff trickling in. But this haul, I love everything. I love, love, love. And I will be doing videos on the dies. If there's a particular die you want to see, let me know in the comments below so that I could do those first. But yeah, I probably do like 3 of them at a time and then go from there. And yeah, just show them to see how they cut and stuff like that. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite. And subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you stay blessed. Bye-bye.